Bitcoin has been getting this rejection back towards the downside, and it is not looking good for Bitcoin. I am going to be talking about this potential scenario where Bitcoin is going to be crashing a little bit lower before a massive run towards the upside. So we'll be talking about that, about my next Bitcoin trade, because I am looking forward for another Bitcoin trade, just like I have opened at all of these bottoms. Yes, another opportunity is going to be incoming. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look. First of all, in that short term, and in that short term, well, Bitcoin has been getting another rejection towards the downside. Yesterday, we got this insane news that Bybit has been getting hacked. Okay, $1.4 billion worth of Ethereum has been getting stolen. Now, the first thing I want to be saying, because I'm also affiliated with Bybit, well, the first thing I want to be saying is that I think that Bybit is going to be fine over here. While $1.4 billion might seem like a lot of money, and it definitely is, well, for Bybit, they can definitely cover this. This is definitely a major loss for Bybit, but in the end of the day, they will be able to cover it. And yeah, they have already stated that if they cannot recover the funds, well, they will be buying back their Ethereum to, repay its customers. I think that how Bybit is handling this biggest hack in history, they are doing a great job. And it just goes to show how good of an exchange Bybit actually is. Yes, of course, the hack was not so great, but in the end of the day, they're putting it on themselves and the end user is not affected. So for you and for me, well, nothing has changed. Anyways, I do want to be saying because of this, well, you should never have all of your funds in one exchange. And on top of that, you should always hold your major funds, your major portfolio inside of a cold storage. So in a ledger. That's what I'm doing. You should always be in control of your own coins. But anyways, let's have a look into the price section right now. Because for Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin has been seeing this dump back towards the downside over here. Right now, we are consolidating inside of a weekend. That CME close price is sitting at the 96.1k level approximately. So yeah, consolidation at around the CME close price is just going to be very likely during the course of the weekend. Anyways, because of the dump of yesterday, well, we got back inside of this symmetrical triangle over here. And yes, yesterday I have been talking about this, okay? Because I have been saying that Bitcoin still needs to be breaking above this level of resistance over here. I've been talking about the fact that I didn't like this break above the Bitcoin EMA ribbons. I didn't like that we got this convincing break above. So I was still telling you to be very cautious over here yesterday. And yes, in the end of the day, we just got another rejection. And in the end of the day, we are just right back where we started, back inside of this symmetrical triangle over here. Still, I think that a massive breakout is going to be inevitable, and still, we have been getting some very bullish charts over here with a rounding bottom, with also a Bitcoin RSI bullish divergence, and also in that longer time frame, we are still consolidating inside of this bigger symmetrical triangle over here. And also, yesterday, the stock market has been getting a massive hit back towards the downside. We could be seeing that $927 billion has been getting wiped out from the US stock market. And while this has been happening, and also at the same time, the biggest cryptocurrency hack ever, well, still, Bitcoin is holding up pretty well, in my opinion, over here. So that is a very bullish development going on right now. So at the first sight, the Bitcoin price is definitely looking very good. And I do not want to be bearish over here. I still do think that there's going to be a good and a pretty big chance that Bitcoin is still going to be breaking back above the top side of the range over here. We're just going to be breaking above this level of resistance, and we're going to be headed towards another rally towards the upside. I still do think that there's going to be a pretty big and a good chance, because while the Bitcoin charts are still looking very good, and this fact that Bitcoin is holding up pretty strong is just looking very bullish. But if I am going to be having a look into what's my next trading opportunity, well, I do not want to be opening up a position over here. I think it is already too late if you want to be opening up a position over here, because mind you, I am only and only opening up swing trade positions, just like I've been doing at all of these bottoms over here. And to open up a swing trading position over here at the middle of this range, well, I think it is a little bit too risky. So that is why I do want to be saying that while the Bitcoin charts are looking very good and pretty strong at this current moment, I want to be waiting, okay? Because I want to be waiting for a massive opportunity to arise. If Bitcoin can be seeing another dump towards the downside and break down below this range over here to grab all of the downside liquidity, that is going to be my massive opportunity, and that is going to be the moment where I want to be entering the market, just like I've been doing at all of these previous bottoms over here. I've been buying the Bitcoin bottom over here. I've been buying, not the bottom over here, but I've seen that this was the bottom, and I've been a little bit later towards the Bitcoin price over here. But yeah, I've been buying during this continuation over here. Also, I've been buying the Bitcoin dip over here at the exact bottom again. I've been buying the exact bottom again over here. I've been buying the exact bottom over here again. And also over here. You can go back towards my YouTube videos. Go and search in my YouTube videos for these exact dates. And you can be seeing that I've been opening up my positions live. I've been sharing everything. I've been very transparent and very public about it. Anyways, I think that another such an amazing opportunity is going to be coming up over here. Whenever we're going to be breaking down of this range, that is going to be the moment we're going to be taking off the liquidity towards the downside. That is going to be the moment where majority of the Bitcoin traders are going to be getting wrecked. So that is why I want to be putting my orders inside of this buy zone over here. That has been my strategy for the last couple of years actually already. This is going to be a massive liquidity zone over here. So this is going to be my buying region. I want to be placing my stop loss below this previous wick over here where we started our consolidation. So yeah, we'll be sharing more about this massive opportunity in the coming few days. But I think that if Bitcoin is going to be seeing this small Bitcoin dump towards the downside inside of our buy zone, that is going to be a massive good opportunity, and I'm definitely going to be getting interested in buying that opportunity. Now I do want to be mentioning, I'm not going to be calling for this Bitcoin dump. I'm just going to be saying that if this dump happens, that's going to be the moment I want to be buying, okay? I'm not going to be bearish at all over here because I still do think that there's going to be a pretty good chance that Bitcoin is just going to be headed even more towards the upside, and that's going to be completely fine because in that case, my holding portfolio, my spot positions will be massively increasing, but just in the case that if we are going to be getting this dump, that's going to be my massive opportunity. That's going to be the moment where I think it's going to be a no-brainer to be opening up a long position with leverage. So yeah, I hope that that part is clear. Going to be waiting patiently over here. Anyways, if you're also going to be getting interested in trading over here, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because over on Blofin, you can be getting a 10% cashback right now, which is going to be absolutely insane. You can be preparing yourself already right now for this massive opportunity that might be around the corner, might be coming up. And also, if you're trading already right now, make sure to be checking out that second link down below, because with that second link down below, if you're already trading, well, why not do it over on Blofin with some insane additional prizes you can right now be claiming, because Blofin is hosting this trading competition with a 5.6 million US dollars in prize pool. So if you're already trading, you can be taking advantage of this prize pool. Anyways, still zooming out, yes, another like massive trade in the longer term I'm taking is going to be on altcoin season. Yes, I think altcoin season is still going to be inevitable. Yes, I still do think it is going to be happening. So I'm taking up huge positions on altcoins right now. Yes, a major hack has just been happening on Ethereum, but I'm still going to be accumulating Ethereum over here. I think that in that longer term, well, there's going to be a massive bottom and a major bottom for Ethereum. And eventually, against the Bitcoin pair, Ethereum is going to be still turning around. And I think that right now, there's going to be that massive opportunity in the market. Anyways, talking a little bit more about what altcoins I'm accumulating right now. Well, first of all, Ethereum, a little bit of Solana, just scrolling down the list of the top 100 coins right now. I'm also accumulating Sui. I'm also accumulating just a small position on Hype. but also bigger positions on Ethena. Right here, you're seeing the stable coin over here. I've been buying a little bit of NIR. I've been buying a little bit more of Pepe. I am already holding a huge position on Pepe because I've been very early towards buying Pepe. I've been also buying a little bit more of Ondo. I think it's in a great dip right now. Bitensor, Aptos, and scrolling down a little bit further, I'm still holding a little bit of Sonic. It has been performing very well in the last week. I'm currently buying more Caspa at these current levels, also in a great dip at this current moment. Buying more Render. I'm still holding a little bit of Jupiter. Now, this is not a huge position I'm taking on Jupiter, just a small position, just like with Arbitrum. Also going to be a smaller position over here. Just like on TIA, also going to be a smaller position. Now, I have been buying a little bit more in the recent few days. I'm still going to be very bullish on Fetch AI. Still going to be holding my back. I've been a big bull on Fetch a few months ago. Also been buying more Injective, buying a lot more Ethena. I think it's in a great buying opportunity right now. It's in a great dip. So yeah, I hope that this dip will be recovering over here. And scrolling down a little bit further, I'm also still buying a little bit more of Stacks. Now, not a lot. I'm just going to be holding my back. Hope it will recover because I'm still holding quite a big bag of Stacks. Buying more Say over here, and also I've been buying a lot of Movement. I think it's going to be a great play. Let's see how it's going to be playing out. Now right now it's trading inside of a downtrend. I hope it will be reversing anytime soon. Anyways, these are going to be the major coins I'm accumulating in the top 100 coins right now. Preparing for altcoin season. So let me know if you like this. If you want to know a little bit more about my insights, what altcoins I'm buying right now, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what you think about my upcoming Bitcoin trade. If you're going to be getting this opportunity, do you like it? What do you guys think? Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. Guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.